Hey guys, Andrew here from Indoor Farmer. I wanted to show you a really cool product called the Grodan Cress Plate. And so I'm sure you guys are familiar with the company Grodan. They make Rockwool. If you've seen these before, then you know what Rockwool is. It's an alternative to soil for growing plants hydroponically. Why these have become popular is not having to use soil, so it's a great alternative, and let me show you the results there. So what we have here is the Grodan Mat, and as you can see, the microgreen seeds have grown right through the mat, and what this allows you to do is to have a cleaner microgreen harvest where you can actually cut closer to the bottom of the mat with not having to deal with all the dirt. And what this is going to end up meaning for the microgreen producers is having more plant material and having less time sanitizing and cleaning up dirt. If you want to learn more about microgreens or indoor growing, feel free to come visit us in Waterloo or Stratford, Ontario. If you're looking for more information on the Grodan Cress Plates or looking to purchase online, feel free to visit www.indoorfarmer.ca.